Okay, so if you are on your Zoom meeting using the Zoom application that's installed on your Windows computer, you want to right click on your image and do choose virtual background. Once you do that, you're going to see the background and effects option that's highlighted, and you're going to be presented with a few options for your background, which is very similar to the options that you get when you try connecting through your web browser. And you can change it like this. The difference between this one and the web browser is that you don't have the square or the circle or the heart outline for your image, which makes it look a little bit better actually. And you can also do video filters if you're interested in doing video filters. For example, if I wanted to add a hat, you can add a hat. I don't want to add a hat, so I'm going to remove that. Let's say I want to keep the virtual background of the space. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to X out of it, and then I'm going to turn on my video here. Then you can see what this looks like. And if you want to remove the background, you again have to right click on your video or your image, and you do choose virtual background, and then you select none, and then you X out of it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any suggestions on any videos that I can create for you, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.